Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Dane, and today it's unboxing time. So stay tuned for 1 second please. Yep, and I'm back. So as I say, today is going to be unboxing time. I am so stoked. I have really been waiting for this box to arrive. It has taken it only 6 days with UPS from the US, from Texas to be more precise actually. And as you can see, I hope here, it's from the damn Yankee Beard Company. This has been a long time waiting for me to get into these guys. Or this guy, Pete from damn Yankee. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I had like this kind of, back order for a long time on a lot of stuff that I ordered and had to, go through first. But now I had the time and I ordered this guy. Yeah, it's only like 7 days ago, it's been 6 days on the way. So, well, let's just get into this. And I have my big kitchen knife as always when I do these unboxings. Oh, by the way, before I, crack this open, go subscribe to my channel. I needed to, be able to monetize this channel, and I'm doing a lot of giveaways in here. So it would be so nice for me to be able to make, just a little extra on my channel, to be able to do this without hurting my budget too much. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Also, hit the little bell button so you get notifications when I make new content. The bell button next to the subscribe button. And yeah, hit the thumbs up. Would be nice as well if you would do that for me. Let's see if we can get into this. As I said, I have been waiting for this one. Not because it took a long time, 6 days only from the US. Normally packages from the US take me a month to get. But Pete has really upped his game here, and he's shipping with UPS, and that's pretty quick. And it's only he has this flat rate shipping on $20. I know if you're in the US that may sound a bit much to you, but coming to Denmark, it's not. It's actually not much. There's a lot of tape on here. Let's see. Here we go. So what am I getting today in my beard mail? First off, it's the 2020 sticker. Trash can with fire in it. I guess that's how we could look at 2020 so far. And we have a little from Peter, mange tak. That's thank you very much in Danish. This guy's customer service is amazing. He's a spiffing guy to talk to. I've been writing a bit with him back and forth, also about other stuff than just beard things, a bit of politics even. And he's, a real nice guy to talk to. No bullshit guy. Oh, I have this large, nice sticker as well. That's cool. Just to tell you, I didn't order this one. It's for free. It's a free sticker. Always nice. So here we have a little bag, something in it. Let's see what that is. And you can see here it's again customized bag for the damn Yankee Beard Company. Nice. Just going to rip it open. Okay, that's why he asked me. Pete actually wrote me and asked me what size I'm using in t-shirts. And here is the damn Yankee t-shirts in a large size as I ordered, or didn't order actually. This one is for free. This is a gift. Gifted t-shirt, always nice. I love these beard t-shirts, so thank you, Pete. Then we have a lot of these guys in here. And what have we here? Oh yeah, this one I ordered. I really could not do that. I love that hat. Well, I only seen it on his website, but seeing it there, well, I liked it. Look at this hat. This is amazing. This is a real nice hat. I'm going to take the sticker off. They are not for me, but when it's off, this is nice. You see this is with the regulator on back here. Embroidered, damn Yankee Beard Company on the front. This is a nice hat. Really, really nice hat. I love this one. I really do. I've never been a hat person actually before I started this. But hey, so let's see what we can see here. Whoa. So all comes out in these bubble plastic thingy here, bubble wraps. What have we here? Oh, another sticker. Damn Yankee Beard Company. Cool, cool, cool. I love stickers. I have a lot of them. So let's see what I just picked up here. First of all, looks like a beard oil. Could be wrong, don't think I am. Oh yeah, it is. It's the Cavendish. Look at this boxing. This is so nice. They come in that. That's amazing. It really is. Actually, I'm trying not to ruin this box because inside the oil is still in bubble wrap. Nice, nice. Oh, here we go. Look at this baby. It's the Cavendish oil. Cavendish is a pipe tobacco. That much I know. And it should smell like a pipe tobacco. This oil is actually a bit warm, so I'm kind of a bit afraid that maybe I also have some butters in here. Well, just have to see. I just wanted to do this unboxing and not, get the butters out first, but maybe they are a bit melted. Okay. Going to give you my first impression of this guy here. So Cavendish oil. I've heard so much about this guy. Yeah. This is really, really nice. It's definitely Cavendish, no doubt about that. That is a nice scent. I love that one. This is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to start my, testing cycle where I have to prep for the review on these guys because this is... Oh, it's hot here today. This is really, really good. Thank you, Pete, for that one. So, a lot of bubble wrap here going on, cutting it open. So let's see what we can see. Just getting out the butters here and the oils. Oh my, this is really, 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 oh yeah. I've been waiting, I know I said that now a couple of times, but I have really, really been waiting for this. Heard so much good stuff about Damn Yankee that I said to myself, well, I have to try it out myself to see what I'm getting out of this. That's what I'm doing now. At least I'm unpacking what I'm getting out of it. So the next one is the Cedar Tobacco Vanilla. Here you have it. It's in a clear bottle. Look at this artwork. This is really, really, really nice. This one comes with the dropper. You have this, even you have ingredients here. This is nice. And this is, this is the scent you have here. Cedar Tobacco Vanilla. Just giving it a quick bang on my hands here. Yeah. It definitely is. Nice. Guys, if you're into the tobacco scents, I'm pretty sure Damn Yankee will be for you, but this is not a review, I'm just unboxing right now. So, my last oil is the Pipe Bomb. This guy, I'm sure you've seen it online by, other reviewers. It should be legendary. I'm just, oh yeah. Well, it's kind of hard to see on this bottle because of the artwork. Oh no, here we have it. You can see all the ingredients here, and there are quite a few. Nice. So, let's dig into this baby. Whoa, this is complex. I like the other two, but yeah. You get a chocolate scent. You get some cherry tobacco. It's a light yellowish tint to the oil. And as you can see here, it's a medium to thick medium oil. Whoa, this is definitely chocolate. Yeah, I get the cherry and I get the tobacco in the background. And I'm kind of, I'm really looking forward to try these guys out, because I heard so much about how complex they are and how they change over the day and how they change in beard and all that. Different scents of, the ingredients coming out during the day. So I'm really looking forward to trying these guys out. So I have 3 butters as well. I have the matching Cavendish butter. This guy. That's a 2 ounce, 1 ounce bottles with oil, and oh, my hair's, yeah, okay. And then 2 ounce butters here, matching. Now I have kind of greasy fingers. Hang on 1 second. Oil damage to the hands makes it kind of hard to, it's plastic and it's kind of slippery. And it's not at all melted. This is nice. Nice white butter. Same scent profile. By the way, it's organic oils in the bottles, and it's with, it's not essential oils. Doesn't matter. I like this other approach where the scents are stronger, so nice. Yeah, same profile as the Cavendish in the oil. Looking forward to trying this guy out in beard as well. And then I also have the cedar tobacco vanilla one. Yeah, there's a 188 ounce. Okay, different size. Here you go. Artwork is the same as on the oil. Yeah, and I'm back in frame, good. Yeah, and still not melted. Soft, not melted at all. And it's really soft. Nice consistency to the butter. Same profile again as the oil. So I have the last butter here as well. I have no oil for that one, so I didn't buy the Pipe Bomb butter. Actually, I regret that right now because that scent is amazing. I would have loved to have it, but I don't. So what I do have is his Night Light beard butter. This guy. I'm so much into, nighttime butters to, go to sleep with a good butter in my beard. It's a 373 ounce beard butter. Again in plastic. I like this plastic design. It's a really nice slick design. Just have to see. And again, nothing's melted. Well, it has been lying down somewhere where it has been getting some kind of heat, I guess. But again, nice consistency. Amazing consistency, really. Look at this. Just going to try and melt this in my hands. Look at this. Didn't use much. It's all melted down to amazing. I have nothing in my beard today. Whoa, I like this scent. This is nice. This is really, really a nice scent. Love it. And this really covers my beard with almost nothing in my hands. That's nice. This oozes out quality, the feel in beard just putting it in there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just have to see if I can see anything here. Well, yeah. And its fragrance, again, I think. It says fragrance and or essential oil blend. So, shea butter. Well, it doesn't say anything on the fragrance on this one. You'll just have to wait. But it's called the Nightlight, so I'm kind of, guessing it's for nighttime. At least that's what I'm going to use it for. So, guys, I think that was it for today. Oh, it's hard, to put on a hat the right way on camera. I'd never figured out how to do that, really. But this hat, man, I love it. Actually, that's the first thing that kind of caught my eye when I looked at damn Yankee back in the days. I really, really just wanted this hat. Well, now it's not the only reason why I bought it, but I'm also into tobacco scents, so I really just have to find out. Well, if Pete is doing a good job, I hear he is, so I guess that's not even a question. Anyways, yeah, that's the unboxing for today. I hope you liked it, and I hope you are going to, as I said, subscribe, bell button, because I'm going to have this, review on these products up pretty soon. Yeah, in a week's time, of course, I'm going to use this first. And then let's see what we can see. Maybe I'm going to do a giveaway. I do that sometimes. So, yeah. Oh, and the heat here is... I know, compared to guys in the States right now, I'm guessing this is not much, but to me this is much. It's warm outside. So, anyways, have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe. Stay bearded. What else do we say? I don't know. Anyways, subscribe. Have a nice day.